What's going on, everybody? Back out here working on the barn today. It's been a while. I think today we're gonna try to finish this drain up. We're gonna have to dig this trench out another 25 feet or so, and I'm hoping that it slopes enough to actually get rid of the water. And regardless, we have to do it anyways, so I just hope the slope is enough. Let's grab a shovel and get to work. Well, I made a little bit of progress. I am on my way to the hardware store right now to get some more pipe, and we will continue on. It's actually a really nice day out today, so it's a perfect day to do this. My goal is to just get the rest of that drain dug out, and I'm gonna try to tie the gutter into the drain because we got some rain coming this week, and I do not wanna have that flood again. So we're gonna try to get that all wrapped up and see what we can do. We got the goods. I think I've got everything I need to ghetto rig the spouting. So I got a few elbows, some flexible spouting, an adapter for the sewer pipe. The main gutter is leaking, so I got some of the seamer mate stuff to try and seal that up. And I got some screws. Well, it turns out I need a couple different adapters to get it to route properly, so that's gonna have to wait. Let's continue digging this trench. Time for the moment of truth. Is it sloped? The answer is barely. So it looks like routing my pipe that way is going to be the best option. It looks the most downhill over there, and the more I look at it, I don't think it's going to be sloped enough over there. So what we're going to have to do is go get a 45-degree elbow and start routing it that way. Unfortunately, I think we're going to have to move some of those rocks, but I think that should be enough. My fingers are crossed. It's going to be close, and only time will tell to see what that does to the ground over there. Hopefully the ground is absorbent enough to just get rid of the water, and it's not going to make a complete mess and eventually cause these trees to fall down. But this is really my only option that I know of. So unfortunately that means another trip to the hardware store, and the thing about that is it isn't close, so that's kind of a bummer, but let's do it. Well, you guys, we lost daylight, but I'm still going to go ahead and do something. Let's get these gutters cleaned out. These things are caked. This might take a little while. I'm back. How long you give me until these gloves rip? I vote not very long.
Hi guys, I still love you.
Well, that's gonna do it for today. Hope you enjoyed. Hit that like button, and I'll see you tomorrow.
The next day.
It is the next day. We went, got some supplies last night, and we have everything to make this happen. So right now, I'm gonna continue digging out this trench, and that's the first thing that we're gonna knock out. I'm hoping to get this completely done today. I know I said that yesterday, but let's make it happen. gotta be careful with all that weight up front. It's a lot heavier than I thought. There is no way we just got that lucky. Check this out. So I've got this thing pretty far out here now, and it's finally starting to slope. It's almost level with the ground right now, and our next step is to put an elbow about right here and angle it out between those trees, because that seems to be the lowest point. But check that out. That is plenty of slope. I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty proud of this, and it looks like it's gonna work out. Let's finish it up. We did it. Alright guys, so I got the spouting done. That is most definitely temporary. We're going to get some better fittings for that ASAP. There's only one thing left to do, and that's to test it out. So first things first, I'm going to make sure that our drain isn't clogged on this side, because I didn't have this done and I had a bunch of crap that I was washing in here, so I'm sure there's some buildup. But these channel drains are nice because you can pop the top off of them and service them. So let's see what's in there. Oh yeah, so there's already a nice little buildup of crap in here. Oh yeah, there we go. So when we get a hard rain, this is exactly what happens. This whole back area is sloped, and all of it just goes to this drain, which is the whole point of me doing this. Oh, we have flow like no other. That's what I'm talking about. Check out that sunset though. I hear something. Yes! We have flow. So I was definitely curious what was gonna happen after this area got saturated. And sure enough, it's kind of pulling up, which I expected because it doesn't really slope anywhere from here, but this is the lowest point that I could get it to. Hopefully the ground sucks it up, the roots from these trees. My hope is that this area doesn't pull up too much and then kind of backflow the drain, but we'll just have to figure it out. I also think I'm gonna dig out some of this area and fill it with some nice sized rock. That way it's just not always a mud pit and it stops from dirt and stuff from flowing back in. Well, you guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Definitely a sigh of relief for me getting that drain finished, well, most of it, because that was just always a headache. I always had anxiety about it because if we got too much rain, it would flood. And now that it's all done, it definitely feels good. Tomorrow is just cleanup day. We're gonna clean everything up. And actually, what I'm gonna try to do is I'm gonna go back to like the first few pipes and kind of raise the ends of them up a little bit so they're still sloped but not as much, so that way I can do that all the way to the end and then have the end off of the ground a little bit because I don't like how the end's resting on the ground. So we're going to try to do that. The drain pipe closest to the barn, I actually found one that had holes in it that we already had, and I decided to put that there just so the groundwater had somewhere to go. And what I'm going to do is put some big rocks, kind of like this stuff, put that on top so none of the loose dirt or anything can get down in there and clog it. So it should look pretty good. Make sure you stay tuned for tomorrow's video. But right now, I'm headed inside to get ready for the premiere of revealing my new bike. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you haven't already, make sure you check out that video. Trust me, guys, it's killing me not being able to ride it, but I want to finish this shop. So that is the main goal right now. And we just got to keep moving every day and get this stuff knocked out because we have some nice weather right now and I'm taking full advantage of it. Well, that's going to do it for me. Diesel and I are actually going to camp out tonight, I believe. So I'll have some footage of that. Stay tuned. Other than that, I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video.